Have you ever wondered as to how malware is sneaking into your device? There are many sources from which these malwares could come into your device. Our devices are exposed and threatened more by actions that are happening without our knowledge. So, if you want to know what are these sources, just go to settings. Within settings, on the top search bar, type install unknown apps. Below here, you have the install unknown apps. So, these are the sources already in your device which could allow other unknown apps to come in. So, you can read here by default, your phone can install only apps from approved sources. This helps you to protect from malicious apps. Installing apps from other sources may put your phone and data at risk. If you want to install app from other sources, allow these sources in the list. I have denied permission for all these sources. If anything is open, that could start allowing unknown apps. Supposing I have WhatsApp here, I want that to allow a particular app. So what I should do is that just enable it, allow that app to be installed, then disable it. If it is on, all these sources are on, anyone could install any app. It need not be from your approved sources. That increases the risk of malware entering your device and pose a very serious threat. Further, apps from unknown sources could steal data and harm your safety. So, how to address this? You have to go here, go to the install unknown apps and choose whichever source. Supposing I have Dream 11 here, I want that to install some unknown app, enable that, install, and then disable it. Always better to keep all these sources in a disabled position so that your device is safe from any malware entering into your device. If you liked the contents of this video, please feel free to share with your friends and relatives. To continue to get such informative videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you do not miss any post. To subscribe to this YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button that you see at the right hand side bottom corner of your screen.